If you clicked on this video, you're probably wondering, what's a vision board and how do I even make one? In this video, I will show you how to make a digital vision board as your desktop background art and how to make it work for you. Before we get started with the tutorial, let's start by asking the question, what is a vision board?
A vision board is a collage of pictures, text, and other items that represent and manifest one's dreams and ambitions, created to help visualize and focus on one or more specific aspirations.
There are several ways to make vision boards, like digital, physical, Pinterest. But today, I will be focusing on how to make a digital vision board for the year 2021. But what do I put on my vision board? The answer is anything that speaks to you and your ideal life. Start by visualizing your ideal life and the tangible details that come with it.
What will it feel like? What steps will it take to achieve your dreams? What do you want to achieve? Start by visualizing your ideal life and the tangible details that come with it.
Begin by creating a list of your goals and aspirations for this year.
You can divide your vision into categories like career, finance, health, relationships, and much more. And here are some of the sample goals that I have created for this year.
After you have your list, you're going to now create a mock-up where you will decide what will go where. This is essentially a rough draft that will help you organize your vision board's categories in ways that are meaningful to you. To do this, you can either draw it out on paper or create a simple graphic like I've created here. Keep in mind that the mock-up is just a guide to help you visualize where the pictures are gonna go. And after you've added all the pictures, you can move them around to see what works for you. Now, it's time to look to the internet to find pictures that represent our goals.
Here's a bonus tip for you guys. If you want to make this even more aesthetic, find a color guide for yourself and search images with those colors. To find this color guide, we're first going to decide the aesthetic that we want. Let's say, for example, we want a bright peachy color palette. We can search this up on Google. And now we have a color palette that we can use as a guide as we're looking for images.
Now that you found all the pictures that are going to go on your vision board, it's time to assemble them together.
To do this, we're going to go to a website called Canva, and then we're going to search up for a blank desktop background. Then, using our guide, we're going to start assembling the photos. After downloading it, just go to your settings, add it as a background, and you're done.
I hope you found value in this digital vision board art tutorial. If you'd like to see more digital art, let me know in the comments down below, as this is a new type of art that I've introduced on my channel and I want to know if it resonates with you. If you want to check out more of my art videos, I'll be linking it in a playlist right above, so definitely check it out. Thank you so much for watching and I'll catch you in the next video. Goodbye!